Here's what I can tell you about this cycling jersey and shorts after an hour and a half ride. First of all, I love the fit. It's like a contour fit. It's really kind of like tailor-made, very similar to what the pros are riding, and it looks great. But as you can see, yes, I got sweat stains. It was a warm ride, but this guy was very well ventilated. It felt really nice. I didn't feel like I needed to unzip my jersey all the way down just to stay cool. I kept it up the whole time. It felt really comfortable. Yes, it was really nice. And then let me tell you about the shorts. The shorts fit so well. It's more of a contoured fit. They are a little bit longer than some other shorts, but I really like the detail. The legs stay in place like you want them to. This one does have a little pocket on the side if you choose to use that. Very nice fit overall. I really appreciated that. It's, I know I'm not a professional rider, but I at least want to look like one and feel slick when I'm riding. And this jersey and shorts, they deliver. Very cool. Let me tell you a couple other features about the jersey. This zipper is amazing. It works really well. I've worn some cheap zippers in the past on my cycling jersey, and I could barely get them started at the bottom. And then if I unzipped during the ride, it was hard to zip back up. Not this guy. Amazing zipper. Let me tell you about the sleeves. The sleeves are a little bit longer, which is nice. And the inside of the sleeves, it's a little, I guess you'd call it like a little rubber type material, and it stays in place so well. It's amazing. I give this jersey and these shorts a thumbs up. They are great. I mean, I field tested them. This is what you want to know, right? How are they when you're on the bike? And I say they're great. I recommend them.